Hello, welcome in this video about Cerberus testing. So today we'll share about third-party and ads monitoring. So some facts and why it is important to address this point is in fact the number of external integration have doubled in the last 4 years. So we have reached for a typical website at least 70 external integrations. And in fact, they are part of your user experience. And if you want a successful user experience to be achieved, you need to be able to verify their behavior. So this is what we will share today in this video. So we'll share first how you can identify the integration you want to monitor. Then we will share a template and how to configure the test case to verify the expected behavior. And then we will see how you can run and verify the expected result. In fact, so behind the scenes, we will verify the API calls. It can be applied to a variety of content such as analytics, ads, and cookies, and also to all types of cookies, so first, third, and fourth party. So let's get started. Okay, so we will start by a simple example applied to the Cerberus website in itself. So I will start by checking what are the third parties and integration available. In our case, it will be quite simple. We will want to check that, for example, the data are correctly sent to Google Analytics, and so I have correctly the name here of the third-party traffic. So now, if we go to a test case to automate this verification, so I have created a sample test case here that is applied to the Cerberus website. We will have to open the application on the home page. Then we need those two specific actions that are required to collect the network traffic. And here we will use a specific parameter, so the URL to filter, in our case Google Analytics, and combined with a specific verification, we will be able to verify using this specific syntax and the parameter that the call to Google Analytics have correctly been done. So I will run the test here, so I can just rerun as I already executed previously. Okay, so the site has been opened. We are waiting for all the requests to be processed. So we see in our case 82 requests for internal and external requests. Okay, and I have collected the network content, so you can have a look to check the parameter, but we see that the verification have correctly been done as we had 3 requests to Google Analytics performed in our test case. So we'll go now to the more complex test case. So here we'll do it on a real website and in fact a real user of Cerberus. So we will want to check the specific cookie policy and tracking and API call. So here I just refresh the page to be able to find what is the third party used. So in our case it's Demdex, and this allows me then to configure 2 specific test cases. So one that will verify that if I reach the page and I do not click on any cookie policy, there is no call to the third party, and this is done using this control here. You can use the exact same syntax for similar controls. And on the contrary, I want to verify that if I click on accepting the cookie, the famous and specific third party will be called at least once, and this is what we do in the same way we did on the first test case and the example we shared. So I will run this specific test case to verify if the third party is called when we click on the accept cookie button. Okay, it's waiting the network traffic to be ended, and we see on a real website and larger website we have already around 160 requests. Okay, we got correctly the traffic, and as you see here we have 5 requests to the third party and it is correctly performed as expected. So in fact, you can enrich and perform similar use case or verification on other third parties. The key is to do it based on user experiences, because you probably have some third parties more linked to ads collection or personalization, and in that case it's really key that you verify the expected behavior, the calls or not being called, of the third party. So thanks for your time for watching the video. We'll be publishing next video soon, so stay tuned and thanks for your time.